Okay, hold on. Host table. Oh wait, whoops.
Oh! Oh! Oh God! Oh! Friendly fire! Oh God!
Oh, wait, what happened?
My cat just jumped on my dick. Oh!
Oh, damn. Uh-oh.
I don't know what's in here, so
Don't do it.
damn.
Told you.
Okay, well. So what you do is you use your mouse to hover and it'll tell you what all those items do.
Hello, we can talk about this. Okay. Okay.
Is he in the room again, Brittle? Is he sitting right next to you
I see
right now?
Diddy behind you, okay? Wait, who's who?
Damn.
Told you we could talk about it. You just didn't want to listen. Or
There we go.
why are you targeting the native? I'm just saying it's wild. It's so wild. Don't forget to hydrate.
No.
Hydrate or dihydrate, you stupid little bitch. Why are you listening? Why are you not targeting the native? I'm just saying.
And we-
We ain't playing Indians and
fair, you
Cowboys,
shot me
motherfucker. That is true. What you doing over there? Huh? Who you sexting? Huh?
Your dad.
Oh,
One changes the rotation
Oh.
of the thing.
no, motherfucker, now he's gonna get it and he's gonna shoot you and kill you.
Mm-hmm.
See?
It's fun. I still got 2 hearts.
Ooh. Wow.
I'm pretty sure you blocked mine.
Well, I would never.
Yeah, you did it. I know it's you. It's fine. It's cool.
You know, not gonna lie, phone do be looking nice.
Yeah, oh my God, he stole my Nokia. My unbreakable Nokia.
High odds. Surely this is... You know, I shot you. You're meant to be dead. Huh. Fucker. This little asshole stole my ciggies. I'm gonna whoop his ass. When he chugged a beer. This alcoholic. You know,
You know what? I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Fuck!
you stole my ciggies and wasted them. I hate you. Oh my god. No.
That was a lot of items you used.
I used all my items.
Only bullets left.
Smart.
There should be another one left, right? I
I
miscounted.
was not gonna tell you.
Oh, fuck. I miscounted. I miscounted.
Yo, that's a really sick death pump down.
You're an asshole. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
What happened? Who's the big?
He stole from me.
Ah.
He smokes a ciggy, and he's gonna shoot you. For me.
Mark itself.
And he goes to you. Just saying, he literally planned that. Okay? He literally
I'm not smart enough to do
4
this.
items, and then he sawed it off so it would do double the damage. I'm just saying.
I wasn't counting.
You can only go.
Oh, thank God. I was.
He's like, my heart was racing.
I had to get one off on you. Come on, just to be fair.
Nah, he's gonna shoot me. I'm next. It's fine. No, I'm next. It's cool.
Fine.
That means you get another turn to shoot him. Because he's gonna go after me.
Bitch.
I'm not your mother last time.
Borrow this for a second? Okay.
Malo, you a bitch. Bet you won't shoot yourself. No balls.
You're right. I'm not gonna shoot myself because I have someone else to shoot.
Okay. And I take his knife and 2-shot him.
But it could be a blank.
Good.
What? Wait, can I do this?
Yes, you can take his knife.
Oh, no, I can't. Oh.
I tried last time.
Damn it.
He was gonna try taking my adrenaline.
Yeah.
Let's see if this actually works.
Ow!
That answered my question.
One answers my question.
He's gonna come for me.
Come for all of you.
I'm gonna come on all of you.
Sadly, the only person he's not coming for is his own boyfriend.
I thought you two were meant to be friends and you're just like aiming guns at each other. What the fuck?
Yeah, thought we were friends this year.
You know what, Cyrus? You know what? It feels like you're targeting me because I'm native.
It's because you're gay.
Some flip it.
If I nade.
This thing, he tried shooting you.
Thank
Twice
you.
now. Shit.
Then that way you don't try to steal this next fucking round.
Point stand, you're targeting me. Just saying.
For all the bullshit from last round, I only got to move like twice.
You did it to me the first round, motherfucker.
I don't recall all these lies you're speaking of.
How about you get your beer out and shut the fuck up? Or see, told you should have shot.
I'm just getting vengeance from last round. Don't fuck. That's why you're a whore. He stopped your turn and then shoot you again. And he's gonna get.
That's really funny.
What?
Hey, Prince, pick a number between 1 and 10.
Ooh, okay. Lucky number 7.
Alright.
I'm blocking you. Muted.
Fucking measure. First victory!
Riddance. Good riddance.
What? He can rebuttal? He can rebuttal? What the fuck is this bullshit? What? He had one life and I shot him.
What happened?
You're still alive. He shot you.
I shot you with a fucking
He
cutoff.
double pumped you for good measures. Just saying.
How is he still alive? This game hacks. I call hacks. Just drinking a beer. Beer with the boys. Oh!
You could have easily killed him.
Yeah, I could have.
You should have.
Is that really how
They
you
tell me
do
the same fucking thing.
Get rid of him. Kill him. Oh god. I hate that noise so much.
Do it to yourself. Come on. You know you want to.
Okay? I should have done it to myself.
Ooh.
Oh, God.
Fuck it, I'm going for it.
1 and 3. 1 and 3.
Let's go!
Good riddance.
Let's